Hi, I'm Sammy Lubeck with Baird & Warner, and I want to welcome you to 183 Moraine Road. Spectacular 6-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom, brick Georgian in East Highland Park, just steps away from Moraine Park and Lake Michigan. As you enter the home, you will immediately see a wonderful combination of old school charm and modern luxury. The front portion of the main level features sunrooms at both ends of the home, along with spacious living and dining rooms. The butler's pantry will lead you to the kitchen, updated in 2018 with quartz countertops and high-end appliances, including the Sub-Zero refrigerator and freezer. The open floor plan comes into play with the eating area, office, and family room with magical floor-to-ceiling ravine views. On the second level, you will find 4 bedrooms, including a unique 2-story master suite, which features a sitting and dressing area, his and her balconies, sleeping area with phenomenal ravine views, wonderful walk-in closet, and updated master bath. With the combination of a bedroom and additional sunroom, my clients created a true princess suite for their daughter. The adjacent Jack and Jill bathroom was also updated in 2018. The other 2 bedrooms on the second level share a huge balcony to take in the aroma of living near the lake. The third level offers a huge guest suite with full bathroom and plenty of storage. As you head down to the lower level, you will be greeted by an additional refrigerator, laundry room with multiple washers and dryers, a bedroom suite, an exercise room, wine cellar, and theater. While this Highland Park gem provides great entertaining space, you also are walking distance from the magical nightlife of Highwood, downtown Highland Park, and Highland Park High School. Thanks very much for checking out 183 Moraine Road in Highland Park. Once again, I'm Sammy Lubeck with Baird & Warner. Please feel free to reach out to me for a private showing.